Welcome to the 40 Custom Super 73R and Adventure Series front fender installation video. In this video, we will show you how to install the front fender on the new 2023 and 2024 generation front forks. These new fork designs come with fixed, rear-facing brake caliper mounting pins on both sides of the fork, eliminating the option for side-mounted front fenders. To address this, we have created a bracket adapter. This adapter recreates the side-facing mounting slots needed to attach the front fender. Let's begin by mounting the fender arms to the fender. Once the fender is assembled, attach the bracket adapters to the front arms. Keep the bolts fairly loose, as you may need to adjust their position. Next, remove the brake caliper from the fork. Test the fit of the fender arms on the fork. Adjust the position as needed, ensuring that the fender and fender arms do not rub against any moving parts. Once the fitment is correct, tighten the bolts firmly and secure the fender to the fork. Reattach the brake caliper. When tightening the caliper bolts, make sure to pull the brake lever to align the caliper with the disc. And that's it. You're all done. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and ride safe.